Hello, friends. A warm welcome to a new chapter of Wanderlust Unplugged. I'm your host Sakshi, and today we are heading to the divine place of Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, situated in the heart of Kolkata. Exciting news for my subscribers! We have transformed our name to perfectly align with our Wanderlust spirit. Let's dive in. We onboarded India's first metro line to reach the Dakshineshwar metro station and hailed a taxi to the temple premises. Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, built in the 19th century, is not just a place of worship, it's a living testament to Kolkata's rich history and cultural tapestry. Dedicated to goddess Kali, the temple stands on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River, a symbol of tranquility and devotion. Commissioned by Rani Rashmoni in 1855, the temple's architecture blends traditional Bengali and Navratan styles. It is said that the Divine Mother Kali revealed herself to Rani in a dream, inspiring the construction of this spiritual masterpiece. Look around as we explore the complex around the main temple. The five-tiered structure, adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant colors, is a sight to behold. Garbhagriha houses the idol of goddess Kali, also known as Bhavtarini, standing on the chest of supine Lord Shiva. Look and notice the serene surroundings. The complex is spread across vast acres, offering devotees and visitors peaceful moments of reflection. The vibrant flowers, the gentle hum of prayers, and the sound of river Hooghly takes your spirit to another universe, but definitely not the metaverse of today. Let's continue our journey and uncover more information about this temple. The complex also houses a shrine dedicated to Rani Rashmoni that you can spot at the end of this lane. There is another Radha Krishna shrine in the central area beside the Garbhagriha of goddess Kali. And also there are 12 identical Shiva temples which you will see on the left side as I continue moving. Each corner of this temple premise has a story to tell, and it is so calm and peaceful that you would love spending your time here. On the right hand side, we will experience the banks of the river Hooghly and many devotees taking a bath at the ghat. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour and do share your feedback in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts if you love my channel's new name. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more soul-stirring journeys. Until next time, keep wandering, keep exploring. Jai Mahakali.